Oh, we gotta look busted.
Johnston.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning into today's video. I have some new hair I'm going to be installing, and I'm so excited because I love installing new hair. Like, whenever I get new hair, I'm like, ooh, which personality am I going to be today? We have some clip-in hair. And the packaging is phenomenal. So this is from Curlsqueen. I will have them linked down below in the description bar. Discount code, everything down below in the description bar. But before we get into the hair, can we just give them a round of applause for this beautiful packaging? Just absolutely stunning. We're going to be doing some clip-ins today, and they have a variety of different hair textures when it comes to the clip-in hair. I got the, I believe it's Jerry Curl, but we're going to double check once we get into this package. So this is what it looks like.
I'm in the zone, clear noise in studio mode. I just spit my story, word for word, can't cancel or block my flow. I'm in the 518 dress code, no coat or hoodie gonna make me broke. Pastime host still belling my phone, had a joy, that's too, but I hear my tone. I've been vexed up time like Jad, no.
Oh, and they sent some goodies. So in your baggie here, you get a brush for your hair, some extra clips in case you need to reattach some more, and then this beautiful bonnet. I love a free bonnet. I love a free bonnet. Matter of fact, let's change up. Yes, honey, bonnet me up, baby. So we have a new sleep bonnet. So I have water Jerry Curl clip-in hair, and I have 20 inches. Of course, all the detailed information will be in. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. Let's see here. This is a lot of hair. Look at that. It looks like it's just one bundle, but it's a lot. So this is what it is. It's 20 inches long. Like I said, this is the water Jerry Curl. This curl pattern is so beautiful, and these curls are so juicy. Okay, I'm going to cut this and unravel it, and we're going to look and see what we got.
I've been vexed up time like Jad, no cab, gotta make fast cash, no lag. I can't beef anyone, go grind for bread, gal, show that shit, that's facts. You better listen to my voice and
So guys, I put some like janky braids in my hair. I tried. I really did try. So I have some braids in my hair, and then I have like these little pieces on the side for leave out. I'm going to try to do like a full head with just a little bit of leave out, trying to hide the tracks. I really don't want any of my hair out if I don't have to have any hair out, but we're going to see. It's a lot of hair. So I have 2-piece clips. The clips are attached like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4 2-piece clips. 2 3-piece clips. Oh, there's more. So 2 3-piece clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 4 clips. So 2 4 clips, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 with 5 clips on there. So they give you a good amount of hair in this bundle. So let's see what we can do. Oh, I'm so excited. We're just gonna get to clipping.
text for the dino wait, we skipping that line, no lag. I'm in the S line hitting that 808. This bass gonna rattle your jaw. Don't give a f if you step in my way. I don't wanna hear your raps at all. Inconsequential, mystic or rental. Bitch, I have no clue if I call. I'm ahead of time putting raps online. Still know a few pussies wanna see me fall. Planning the ends with polo, rolling, jump on the plane at Terminal 3. I can't believe when I look and I see these Spotify streams coming straight from Greece. Well, I say thank you, look at the life that you've given to me. I'm just living a dream. In about a year I was working in retail rather than loading these peas in my jeans. I've been vexed up time like Jad, no cab, gotta make fast cash, no lag. I can't beef anyone, go grind for bread, gal, show that shit, that's facts. You better listen to my voice on a hollow advice, some spit shit rhymes on tap. I don't care about shit when I ash my wrist, gotta check my bank on snap. You don't talk about man when I pull a 4 rings on a boot gas pack with mad. I can't smoke leaf when I'm on my own. Hello women on floor, but the man still tap. I don't bum trap in the whip, I'm rich, this bitch putting hair in the bun, no prank. She getting that intro text for the dino wait, we skipping that line, no lag.
Johnston.
I've been vexed up, time black dread, no cab, gotta make fast cash, no lag. I can't beef anyone, go grind for bread, gal, show that shit, that's facts. You better listen to my voice and a hollow advice, some spit shit rhymes on tap. I don't care about shit when I ash my wrist, gotta check my bank on snap. You don't talk about man when I pull a 4 rings on a boot gas pack with mad. I can't smoke leaf when I'm on my own, hello women on front, but the man still tap. I don't bum trap in the whip, I'm rich, this bitch putting hair in the bun, no prank. She getting that intro text for the dino way, we skipping that line, no lag. Me, I'm upset, try to run up the hill, I'ma jog up till upset. You forgot those times when he bust out the N20p court net, just making amends. I could've done this and I could've done that. I just prove you wrong, gonna make a quick rap. Gonna go vacate, get a kickback, 5-star hotel with a suite intact. When I ride low, I'm in the zone, clear out noise in studio mode. I just spit my story, word for word, can't cancel or block my flow. I'm in the 518 dress code, no coat or hoodie, gonna make me broke. Pastime host still belling my phone, had a Droid S2 but I hear my tone. I've been vexed up, time black dread, no cab, gotta make fast cash, no lag. I can't beef anyone, go grind for bread, gal, show that shit, that's facts. You better listen to my voice and a hollow advice, some spit shit rhymes on tap. I don't care about shit when I ash my wrist, gotta check my bank on snap. You don't talk about man when I pull a 4 rings on a boot gas pack with mad. I can't smoke leaf when I'm on my own, hello women on front, but the man still tap. I don't bum trap in the whip, I'm rich, this bitch putting hair in the bun, no prank. She getting that intro text for the dino way, we skipping that line, no lag. I'm in the S-line hitting that 808, this bass gonna rattle your jaw. Don't give a fuck if you step in my way, I don't wanna hear your raps at all. Inconsequential, mystic or rental, bitch driver murk, no clue if I call. I'm ahead of time putting raps online, still know a few pussies wanna see me fall. Planning the ends with polo, rolling, jump off the plane at Terminal 3. I can't believe when I look and I see these Spotify streams coming straight from bees. Well, I say thank you, look at the life that you've given to me, I'm just living a dream. In about a year I was working in retail, rather than loading these peas in my jeans. I've been vexed up, time black dread, no cab, gotta make fast cash, no lag. I can't beef anyone, go grind for bread, gal, show that shit, that's facts. You better listen to my voice and a hollow advice, some spit shit rhymes on tap. I don't care about shit when I ash my wrist, gotta check my bank on snap. You don't talk about man when I pull a 4 rings on a boot gas pack with mad. I can't smoke leaf when I'm on my own, hello women on front, but the man still tap. I don't bum trap in the whip, I'm rich, this bitch putting hair in the bun, no prank. She getting that intro text for the dino way, we skipping that line, no lag.
Johnston.
I've been vexed up, time black dread, no cab, gotta make fast cash, no lag. I can't beef anyone, go grind for bread, gal, show that shit, that's facts. You better listen to my voice and a hollow advice, some spit shit rhymes on tap. I don't care about shit when I ash my wrist, gotta check my bank on snap. You don't talk about man when I pull a 4 rings on a boot gas pack.
You guys, this hair is so freaking beautiful. I love the fact that I was able to put it in a style without having any leave out. You guys know I have very, very fine hair, and it can be so hard trying to blend it with clip-ins. But now I found a new way to do it. As you guys can see over here, it was looking sort of sparse when I was putting the last clip in. So I took that clip out and put in another one upside down so that it creates more volume and sort of causes the hair to sort of fall over onto this space. So that way, if something is showing, because you guys know I have really thin hair, but if something is showing, this flip over method helps camouflage it. And this hair is so beautiful, guys. I had my mousse ready, I had my water ready, I had my gel ready, all this stuff. It doesn't even need it. This hair is so beautiful right out the pack. The curls are defined and juicy and gorgeous. I'm sure like once you wash and condition it, it's gonna bounce right back because the curls are just that juicy and then they're not stiff. Look at this body. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. I wish this was my real hair. That's how much I'm loving this. This curl pattern is absolutely stunning. It has a kinky texture to the hair, but it's also a little bit silky. If you want big, voluminous, crazy hair, you can definitely comb this out or brush it out to get it more fluffed up. You can pick it. I don't want it too crazy because to me, it has just the perfect amount of volume where it's at right now. Absolutely gorgeous. Abso-freaking-lutely gorgeous hair. I'm blown away. I'm absolutely blown away by how beautiful this hair is, you guys. I'm wearing this out today. I'm wearing this out today. I want to see if I can do like a half up, half down thing. I don't know because of how I did it. But we're going to still guys like a half up, half down because I have edges left out. I'm gonna keep my bangs out.
You gotta show me a picture of her. I'm so excited for you. Let's hype it.
With you, even if my camera breaks, I picture you, picture me with you. With you, even when I'm at your place, I feel at home. With you, even if my camera breaks, I picture you, picture me with you. Even when I'm at your place, I feel at home, I feel at home with you. Half awake or half asleep, glass half full or half empty. On my side, want you and me, could never be the one to leave.
So Bells, like I said, this hair is from Curlsqueen.com. Everything is linked down below in the description bar. Love you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Go shop Curlsqueen. Leave me a comment down below. Make sure to thumbs up this video, and I will catch you in the next one. So until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Bye, Bells.